Hi, this is Andrew. In today's religious landscape, perhaps no distinction is more individuals believing themselves to be saved when they have merely adopted the external trappings of faith without experiencing its transformative reality. Baptism became not just a spiritual initiation, but a cultural rite of passage. Church attendance was expected and often made reality through tangible service, always with the aim of making disciples. What are some of the practical tests for distinguishing genuine Christians, while perhaps struggling initially, ultimately submit to Scripture's authority even when personally costly? 3. Cultural Christianity typically reduces the Christian faith to a moral code of behavior. It emphasizes what Christians should do and shouldn't do without understanding. This moralistic approach either leads to pride in one's religious performance or despair at one's inability to live up to impossible standards. The cultural